So I found this piece of this rod. I know I said the video is ended, but this is an extra. I found this piece of rod. This will let me through. Yeah, you need something to take you through this. Trust me. You need something, people. And it looks like it's gonna rain enough, so I need to hurry back to that side to more pleasant groundings. Nature can be very tricky. Don't take it simple. Yeah, don't take nature simple. Beautiful, very tricky, and can be deceiving as well. So this rod here, I'm gonna take me through the bush here. So people, see you again in the next video. Yeah, I did say I was finished, but I have to show you every part. Yeah, this is it. MP Chosen one. I lose about 200 pounds coming through here. Sweat. Yeah, wet. Don't do this again. Don't do this. Yeah, give thanks to that piece of rod here. Nature at the same time very helpful, you know, people. It's good to get these experiences, you know, because all the senses start use up, you know. You know, have everything to your advantage, so you have to make use of what you see. Now, nature provides everything for us, don't it? Yes. So, see it, this is going to help me through.